Hi, can I ask you a question? Do you feel intimidated by the thought of creating your own professional presentation? Have you run out of ideas on how to make creative presentations? And are you looking for ways to make your presentation more interactive? The answer to your prayers is here. You can create professional looking, creative, fun, and interactive presentations using Prezi. But what exactly is Prezi? How does it work? Is it easy to use? What is the step-by-step process of building a presentation on it from scratch? And how can you make your presentation stand out? Well, if you're looking for an easy-to-follow course on how to build your own professional and creative presentation, you've come to the right place. In this video course, you'll get the most up-to-date lessons on general functions as well as in-depth Prezi customization options. You'll find out tips and tricks the pros use to make their presentations come to life. So we have broken down the lessons into several easy steps, so even if you're a complete newbie to Prezi, you will be able to confidently create your own Prezi presentation by the end of this course. You'll discover how to create impressive Prezi presentations for your business starting today. And this video course was designed to help you design your own Prezi presentation from scratch through tips, tricks, and comprehensive yet easy to follow lessons. And here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2 is Prezi Made Easy. And we'll talk about the differences between Prezi Next and Prezi Classic. Video number 3, we'll talk about how to start your Prezi presentation on the right foot. Video number 4, we're going to talk about the Prezi overview and give you an overview of the dashboard and everything like that. Video number 5, we're going to talk about starting a new Prezi from scratch and utilizing the template system and different recommendations on that. Video number 6, we'll talk about editing and customization in terms of editing images, colors, and animations. And video number 7, we're going to talk about shortcut keys. Video number 8, we'll talk about creating a video and turning your Prezi into an actual video and how to go about doing that. And video number 9, we'll talk about collaborating via Prezi. So how do you get your team and your assistants and secretaries on editing the Prezi all at once so that you can get the Prezi done faster. So are you ready to start creating impressive Prezi presentations for your business? Well, go ahead and grab this video course today and be on your way to becoming a pro in designing professional interactive presentations. So go ahead and grab this video course today.